Hi, so we are Team RanDoseru, and what our problem statement is, as the technology increases, there should be a layer of abstraction that will block that use of in-depth elements, as how we use photo editing and all. So we won't use any code bases to do the photo editing. We just use elements from the UI of like Photoshop, Canva, and all. So what we have built is like we have made a website editor, which where you can just drag and drop elements. Like for example, this form element, I'll delete this form element, and this is going to be your canvas. And here you can drag and drop any element like button and all. So from here you can change the CSS properties and styling of everything. You can add even your custom templates which are downloaded from online, and you can edit them. So for now that feature I'm not showing you. I will show you how you can create a login interface and connect it with the backend within just 20 seconds. So first we are going to add an element of form here. So we'll be adding form, and let me reshare a bit. Now when we go to the backend services, these are all the options that we have. So we have two pages here. We can add multiple pages and connect them in between. And now coming to the backend part, here in the backend we can add many backend services and create our own custom pipeline here. Like for example, we can add get service. Now if I add another service, then we can do get method here, and we can also do post methods and everything. We can build our own custom pipelines. Now we also have pre-built templates that are most commonly used in the backend services. So for example, I have this canvas in which I've created a service. Now I'll be using auth system here. So this is the pre-built template which we are using. Now when we want to route front end with the backend and with the multiple pages, then we can use this routing technique in between. So where we will just drag and drop backend services and drag and drop the front end pages from here. So these are the two pages which I drag and dropped, and here you go. You just connect them. I'm connecting the form with the user model, and its response will be going to the page 2. Now when we click on the preview, then we can see all our web pages and all. Now if I enter my name here, something random like yep, and my mail, then when I submit it, it will automatically check in the backend, and as as you can see here, it has done some processes and checked the authentication. Then it has redirected us to login successful page. So this is how you can do it. And when we get back to the editor, we can also download the whole code which it was built, like with the option of export full zip file, or you can even preview the code. This is the whole code which it has made for the front end and back end. As you can see, you can directly integrate this with your GitHub and push it there and deploy it from GitHub.